and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to draw a greeting for Christmas. It is ready. Here we will learn how to draw a flying paper. So firstly we need to fold a sheet so that it could be a plus sign. Then we'll fold it in 4 folds. Then finally we'll cut it and it is ready. Here we will learn how to draw a dragon. Drawing a dragon is easy, but making it by origami is little difficult, so you need to follow the steps wisely. You can pause it and continue with the video. See how our craft dragon is looking so good. Here we will learn how to draw a tortoise or a turtle with the help of these mushrooms. So here we have done the very easy process with the help of some sticks also. Next we'll go for a windmill. A windmill is a thing which gives us electricity. Yes, rather than water, windmill also gives us electricity. So here we'll fold some crafts like this, and we need these colorful crafts so it can move through a wind very nicely, and here it is completed. You can see how beautiful it is looking. Here we will learn how to draw snowflakes through crafting. What is snowflakes? Yes, when there is a snowfall, there are snowflakes. Also, while decorating the Christmas tree, we use these snowflakes. Here we will learn how to draw a swan by origami. By crafting, we will learn how to draw a swan. So you need to fold the craft paper like this. Also, if you have skipped any part, you can pause the video and see it very nicely, because skipping any part would destroy or miss anything. Okay? So here we will learn how to draw a swan, or you can say a bird. So firstly we need to fold square like this, one plus sign. So next we'll go for the cross sign. Then here we will follow the video's instruction. So you no need to skip any kind of part, right? Because we need a swan or a bird to be very perfect like this in this video. It is completed. In this video, we will learn how to decorate a lollipop. Candies are very delicious, but decorating it is little difficult. So with the help of this video, you can decorate it. So firstly, we'll cut a double shade or double-sided and do it a hole in between. And next, we'll go for the lollipop and see how it's looking. Thank you for watching our video.